Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to ChrisStillBeTalkin, the only K-pop reaction channel on the whole of YouTube. Because facts. And welcome to a Dancer Reacts To, and this is a special video because a few days ago I did a reaction to Yuno's music video. I think it was for Thank You, and that was so much fun. I absolutely loved it, and you guys you guys were absolutely awesome and let me know more about Yuno and the fact that he came from another group. And just honestly, guys, I love the comments so much so that I had to pin on comment. I want to read this comment out because I enjoy reading out the comments. So this comment here was by dear_Jane. I'm just gonna say dear_Jane. This person wrote, Yuno, stage name Yuno, debuted in 2003 as the leader of the group TVXQ. Now I have seen that name around whilst doing my reactions. I've seen a couple people asking for me to react to TVXQ, but I just never knew, like, was it a group, is it a person, is it an idol, is it, like, what's going on here? You know what I'm saying? What's going on here? And they said, yes, they are huge to this day, especially in Japan. And yes, you're right, there are only 2 members now, used to be 5. He's well known for his dance, passionate, and being the idol of idols. This person's talking about Yuno, because this was in a Yuno reaction. His stage presence is no joke. For the introduction to TVXQ, I think this legendary performance would be great. And they left a link. I will be reacting to that, so make sure you're tuned in. And they then said, MJ was Yuno's huge inspiration. Fun fact, he was the only Asian being asked to perform an MJ tribute, This Is It, back in 2010. Fun fact, I saw This Is It too many times. I saw it in IMAX, yeah. So my foster carer, my foster brothers were absolutely lovely, and they got me tickets to see it in IMAX. And then I fucking loved it, and I had to watch it again. And so I watched it in the View Cinema afterwards because I'm sad like that. And yeah, regardless of the problems with Michael Jackson, we're just going to put that to the side. But his art-wise and his performance-wise, honestly inspired me like crazy, and just one of the reasons why I danced today. So yeah, I'm mostly just gonna focus on people's art and their skill levels when it comes to performing. But yeah, so it's nice to know that there's that kind of connection. And you tend to see a lot of, especially a lot of R&B artists and hip hop artists, no matter what they say, they are heavily influenced by Michael Jackson. So it's kind of cool to see that this person, that Yuno, not this person, and that Yuno was on that caliber in 2010. Absolutely phenomenal. So yeah, so today actually, because this is Friday, I don't know, I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why I'm wearing a jumper. It's fucking hot in this room, but I'm comfortable. Let's move on to what I'm trying to say. So basically, the first video we'll be reacting to will be Max CHANGMIN music video, Chocolate. Yes, I read that he was the other member in TVXQ when they still worked together. And then I will be checking out TVXQ Spellbound, because I figured, hey, let me watch a music video with them two both inside it. It's fairly old, so if there is any newer videos or more up-to-date videos, then do leave the links down below and let me know. And then straight after that, then I will watch the link that Jane, is it Jane? I think it's Jane. requested, and that's going to be the live performance, okay? So if you guys enjoy this video, do hit a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for future content with all notifications on, because YouTube it only likes people who are already known, you know. It doesn't, yeah, I'm not going to go into that conversation. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe, and that's the best way to support my channel. If you want to support me even more, then I do have a Patreon, Chris Is Talkin. That's where you'll get content earlier. Okay, that's one thing. Well, this one not this one, because I'm not this one. Okay, it's just not this video. But in general, you get a lot of reactions earlier, you get longer reactions, and also you have a higher chance of getting me to see your comments, because you guys have been so awesome that it's harder to actually reply back to all of you guys. So the ones on Patreon are the ones who will get, you know, who are supporting me with the extra step. So I want to make sure that I do the extra step for you guys. So sorry about that long ass intro. For, you know, if you guys are new to the channel, I might as well explain things properly before we get into it. Links to the official videos down below. Also, if you want any subtitles and stuff, that will be in the official videos, because I want to make sure that you guys are still going to give them the views, because it's their videos, and I'm just enjoying this with you guys because it's fun to watch from dance practices. All right, that was fucking long. All right, let's go into it. The first one is the Chocolate. Oh, wait, let me actually get rid of this. Let me get rid of this, and let's go. What? wait. Did he just say he's not afraid of electricity? What was that opening? This must be a meme somewhere. Oh, hey, hey. The bass on this. Chocolate, okay. My guys. This is sick. Loving the production of this. Oh. Glass half empty, glass half full. Doesn't matter. Guys, I'm disappointed that you guys never told me to watch this before. Oof. Oh. Yo, this is suave to fuck. I don't know why, I can imagine Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen dancing to this. Just like, ooh. Hey. Let's go. Fucking amazing, guys. I love this. That drop was sensational. I'm sorry, we might not even get to the next ones. Hey. Jeez. This is sick. Whoa. Alright, this video doesn't have subtitles even on the original one, which is unfortunate. So I'm just enjoying this whole... What is it with like the veterans knowing how to make the bangers? Hey! Hey! Hey. This is... I love this. Chocolate. This sounds... I can imagine it being like an M&S advert. Oh, he's coming through with the vocals. Cheers. Guys, if you are listening to this, yeah, please go to the official video afterwards with headphones on. Hey. Yes. Oh my god, guys. Yeah, alright. I think my reaction said it all. We're gonna go to Spellbound now. What the fuck, man? That was so cool. Alright. Anyway, Spellbound. Let's go. Shit, if I heard any of these when these dropped, I would have been into K-pop like way sooner. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna presume it's just them two. Yeah. You know, Max. I don't know the rules, but one of them's bluffing. Oh. Oh. No, guys. What? Guys, that drop right there. I'm loving how extremely different they sound. It's how versatile they are, especially with the choices of what they dance to. Like this one here. Jeez. Hey. Come through the... Jeez. Mad props to the chicks in the background doing their thing. Hey, what up? Come through with a lock-in, is it? Yo, this is suave and sexy, straight up. Tell him, Max. Yo, can we just get a round of applause for the for the females? They are amazing. Okay, so Max and are just killing it, but the females here are smashing it. Did you see the pops? Did you see their pops? Oh my goodness. Sorry. Look at the musicality. Okay. Jeez. Woo. Jeez. Let's go. Yes, that was cool. Loving the black and white aesthetic. Jeez. Yes. His pops. Let's go. Yo, his pops are filthy. Oh man, I don't know how long this video is meant to be, a short video, but I'm just loving there's so many things that we're seeing in this. Look at his pops. Jeez. Woo! Hey, tell him, Max. Jeez. This is light work for him. Yeah. If I was in a boy band, this would be the kind of stuff that I would want to dance to. Between this and a bit of hip hop. Oh, shimmy with it. Jeez, that musicality is on point. Yes. We might need to have a day or a week dedicated to these guys, man. I'd love to learn more about them. Oh, jeez. Go. No, look how well they know each other's moves. Let's go. Hey. Jeez. Woo. Oh. Is there a saxophone in the background? Look at what they're dancing to. Vocals here. There was the bass. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, let's go. Ooh. Those little hops. Yeah, their performance level is 10/10. Yes. Yes. The 7th package album. So how many albums did I miss out? Guys, do we need to do a week of TVXQ on one day? A week of TVXQ one day. I'm such an idiot. Alright, we're gonna go to the last one because I'm losing my shit. Alright, I'm actually fucking enjoying this a bit too much. Alright, let's go. Woo! Alright. Jeez, this is a mood. This is a mood. Hey, imagine seeing this live. I'd lose my shit. You know, come through like, yeah, it's my shit. That's my shit. What is this one? Hey, this video got subtitles. Yes, Max. With the vocals. Woo. Jazz. Loving this. The only thing I wish is if they had their own different colour out suits to stand out more. But hey, we got zoomed in cameras, so it's all cool. Jeez, you can tell that they are so passionate. They love music. You can just feel it. Yes, yes. Ooh, what's this one? Ooh. Okay, I like that. Ooh. Okay. This one's kind of quiet as well. Hey, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh. Yo, I might need to listen to that album, you know. Those songs are bops. What? Ooh. Hey. I love how much fun they're having. Let's go. Tell him, Max. Oh, what's going on? Come with a fan service. Hey. I like how it's in the background with the vocals like. Max with the vocals. Yes, so. Hey. Oh man, I swear down, after lockdown, I say after lockdown wouldn't I know what it is, but I would love to see them live. Especially Chocolate. Oh, and you knows Thank You. I want to see that live. Yes. All right. Well, that was fucking amazing. That was yes. All right, guys. Yeah, I said what I said during this reaction. If you enjoyed this reaction and these videos I reacted to, then do hit a thumbs up. Leave your recommendations for future TVXQ videos in the future. Also, if you want me to do, I might have to do a week dedicated to them. These guys are vets, these guys are OGs, so there's definitely enough content to do a week dedicated to them. And then so what I'll probably try and do is on the Woman Crush on Wednesday I might do a video where artists or female idols have done versions of their music videos of their dance practices, or when they've worked with other female idols, which I'm sure that they have done. But yeah, and on a Throwback Thursday I'll look at some of the old stuff. We're gonna have a great time. I absolutely love this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit a thumbs up. If you made it this far, then subscribe. You know, it means you enjoyed it. Okay. Anyways, guys, see you guys soon. Oh man, I'm just gonna fucking, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. ChrisStillBeTalkin. Peace.